Hello guys, welcome back. Today we'll be looking at a spot trading complete tutorials. This is actually going to help a lot of beginners in crypto trading and also an advanced user. So without waste of time, let's quickly dive into that. So here we are. But for the sake of this class, we're going to use Bybit because we usually use Bybit because a lot of us are good in using Bybit. Okay, so the moment you make your account available, you got to just navigate yourself to a place like this. Okay, and the first thing you must understand is that you must have some capital in your wallet. Okay, you must possess some USDT in your wallet. So the moment you are here, the first thing you just need to do is to quickly navigate yourself to this place called asset. You can see the asset down here. Click on the asset. Okay, if you click on the asset, you can see a unified trading account and you can see a funding account. Okay, so fund at unified trading accounts are for trading cryptocurrency, which is both spot trading and also future trading, which is known as derivatives on Bybit. Okay, and if your fund is in funding wallet, the first thing you just need to do is to transfer it from the funding wallet to unified trading account, because only fund that is in unified trading account will be able to trade. So if you want to transfer this fund from a funding wallet here to a unified trading account here, all you just need to do is to go to a transfer, quickly go to transfer, click on the transfer, and you're gonna go into transfer some fund. Coming to this place, you are not transferring BTC, you are transferring USDT. So you're gonna go into click on it in order for you to choose your USDT. You can see my current USDT volume here is 0, which is from funding wallet to unified trading account. So before you can do all of this, make sure you fund your account using P2P transactions, or you copying your wallet to your friend or to any other merchant that can be able to fund your wallet for you. So if your wallet is funded, it will first be settled at here at our funding account. Then you can just transfer it to unified trading account. Okay, so then you can come back to navigate yourself to this place where you see trade. Okay, this trade is used for trading cryptocurrency both in futures and also in spot trading, okay, so here we are. It has completely show us where we can trade a particular cryptocurrency of our choice. So coming to this place, you can click on this in order for you to choose that particular cryptocurrency of your choice that you wish to trade. All right, so the first thing you just need to do is to click on the MNT. So clicking on the MNT, it will show you a lot of coins here. So coming to this place, you can make your choice. You can make your choice of the coin, of a particular coin you want to trade. Okay, you can make a choice of a particular coin that you wish to trade. So coming to this place, maybe we should take our BTC, since BTC is actually famous for every one of us. So in this place, you can do two things. You can either buy or sell, but don't forget, you cannot sell here in spot trading. You cannot sell here in spot trading without first buying. So for you to sell, you must first buy, or you must possess a particular coin of BTC. All right, so that is it. So looking up here, you can see this particular place called chart, and this place is trade, which is where we are currently. Okay, which is where we are currently. Okay, this is chart. So we're going to look at this chart. This chart enable you to understand the particular coin that you're about to trade, or that you're currently trading, or that you are currently buying. Okay, so if you come to this place, looking at the top here, you can see 15 minutes, you can see 1 hour, you can see 4 hours, you can see 1 day, and click on here for also more. What this 15 minutes and 1 hour and 4 hours means is that how this coin was actually doing in the past 15 minutes, okay, or in 1 hour, in 4 hours, or in one day. How was the coin doing? Was it doing well, or it wasn't doing well? So you must consider all of those things. Understand? You must consider all of those things before you start your trade. All right. So, and if you wish like to look further, to like take a line, you can look at this pencil sign. This pencil sign will allow you to like use some of those sign in order for you to what, to map those trend of the coin, how it was going. Was it up? You can manage uptrend or downtrend. Okay. So that is actually by the way, you can look at it carefully in order for you to what, to understand how those things really works. Okay. So you can look, go to up here in order for you to what, to choose any other coin of your choice, but let's be working with this BTC, because I think this BTC is actually working for us. All right. So coming to this place, you can also roll down. In this down here, you can see the moving average, the EMA, and the Bollinger Band, the SAR, and the Marvel, and a lot of them. So looking at this order book, let's look at this order book. This order book shows you amount of people that are currently buying and also selling. Okay, it shows you amount of people that are currently buying every seconds and also selling every seconds. You can see here. So the greener part shows the numbers of people that have been buying, and the red part also showing the number of people that have been selling every second. All right. Okay, that's by the way. So looking at the top right hand side here, let's look at it. Okay, let's go to there. So looking at the top right hand side here, looking at the top hand side here, you can see the 24 hours high, you can see the 24 hours low, you can see the 24 hours turnover. On our label here, these are most of the things you consider before you can dive into any trade or trading any coin. Okay, so you can see the first one here, the third one here, and the total turnover is also here. So we're going to navigate ourselves now back to the trade in order for you to what, in order for us to place our trade. All right, so we're going to click on trade now. So clicking on this trade now, you can see where exactly it navigates us to. If you want to trade our margin, you can just like come over to this place and turn this margin button on. Okay, you cannot do this automatically to any coins that is available in spot trading and also in margin trading. Okay, so turning this coin on, so turning this margin on, you can see how exactly it's doing. So turning this margin on, you can see this automatically change to long and also short, which means buy and also sell. Okay, so taking short means it's selling, and also taking long means it's buying. Okay, but I don't actually advise you to trade this. I don't actually advise you to trade this. Understand? I don't actually advise you to trade this based on the experience I personally have with this. Okay, it's very difficult, like it's very risky. Okay, so I'm going to turn this off. So make sure you have something in your available balance, as I said earlier. Okay, at the time actually I'm running this video, there's nothing in my wallet, in my Infinite trading account for now. Okay, so if there's capital in your Infinite trading account, it's going to appear here, and if there's no capital in your Infinite trading account, you can as well move out, like move out some percent from your, you can actually move out some percent from your deposit, from your funding wallet to your unified trading account. So coming to this place now, you can see this limit says a lot. You can see this limit, you can either choose to use this limit to enter the market later, or if you want to enter the market instantly, click on this low arrow in order for you to what, to enter the market instantly. Okay, so let's click on the row on this and see. Okay, if you look at this place now, there's limit and there's also a market. So these two things are the major things a lot of traders used. Okay, so if you want to enter the market immediately, you choose market, and if you want to enter the market later, you can choose limit. Okay, so if you choose limit, let's first start from the limit. If you choose limit, let's say this particular BTC is currently at a $107,387.9. Okay, and you want to buy below this market rate, so you're going to come to this place and edit this price. Maybe you want to buy it at 100,000. Okay, maybe you want to buy it at 100,000, and you come to this place. In order for you to want to impute the volume. Okay, to impute your volume. Coming to this place now, you're gonna go into like put 100 USD. Okay, you put 100 USD. If you put 100 USD, it's gonna going to show you the equivalent of what you're going to get here. Okay, to show you the equivalent of what you're going to get in BTC right over here. All right, so the next thing that you just need to do is to come here to click on your TP/SL, which is the take profit and also stop loss. Okay, take profit and what, and stop loss. So coming to this place, maybe you want to take our profit when BTC is 111,000. You can see we're going to make 11 USDT with this our 100 USD. Okay, and the stop loss, maybe we're going to set our stop loss to 102,000. Okay, we're going to set our stop loss to what, to 102,000. Okay, sorry, I'm buying at 100, so my stop loss will now be, maybe I should make it 97,000. So if I make it 97,000, my PNL, like my unrealized loss will be minus 3 USD. So the next thing you just need to do is to come to this place in order for you to what, to execute your trade formally. Okay, if you come to this place now, you're gonna go into like come to this place to click on buy. So after buying, it will be in your order book. Do you know why? Because you are waiting for a particular volume to execute your trade. Okay, to execute your trade. So that is it for this limit. So the same thing goes for this market. The only difference is that in this market is going to execute instantly. Let's say we are using 1,000 USDT to buy here, it will execute like instantly. The moment we just click on buy, it will execute instantly because it's working based on market price. All right, I do hope that you get this very video clearly, and after that you just see this one appearing here on your positions, and it will start reading either positive or negative immediately. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I do believe that you find value from this very video. If there's anything again you want me to talk about, you can drop it in the comment sections and I'll look at it and I'll attend to you ASAP. As long as you want me to talk about that, I'm going to talk about that. So in the descriptive section, I will drop a video that shows you how to do the peer-to-peer transactions. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being with me from the beginning to the end. I will see you in my next video. Bye.